What is the real meaning of eating cookies in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of eating cookies dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see eating cookies in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance in real life. Now number 2, if someone gives you cookies to eat and you ate in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get big success in life due to the help and support of someone or divine in life. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 3, if you see eating fresh cookies in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success. Now number 4, if you see baking and eating cookies in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 5, if you see buying and eating cookies in a dream, then it indicates progress, success and financial gain from a business, job, etc. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success with monetary gain in real life. Now number 6, if you see eating sweet cookies in a dream, then it indicates new love relationship and success in any work, project or planning very easily. Or you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success. Now number 7, if you see eating rotten or spoiled cookies in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you have chosen the wrong path in life, or you have made any kind of wrong decision that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment in real life. But sometimes this dream also suggests difficulties or obstacles to completing any work, project or planning. So to avoid these problems, you should adopt a positive attitude towards life, or you should cross-check your plans before execution in real life. Now number 8, if you see eating broken cookies in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to have some patience in life, or you should cross-check your plans before execution, because sometimes hastiness or premature decisions cost us the loss of money, energy and time. So to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment, this is the right time to think carefully before making any kind of important decisions in real life.